Few days ago, OBS released an update, which it was July 8th. They released their update 31.1. That update has an issue connecting to Facebook. So if you already updated your OBS, you need to test your OBS to Facebook connection. The connection is not establishing. Whenever you start streaming on OBS and you want to start Facebook stream, it will not establish the connection. No matter how much time you change the key, no matter how much time you change the URL. So I just want to keep this out there for people to know that the new update 31.1 has a Facebook issue that they need to fix.